It's started.
Yeah, okay. So my name is Dhruv and I'm from Madhya Pradesh. Yeah,
I'm
please
Ganendra. I am
carry on.
from UP.
My
Yeah,
name is
I'm
Vicky. I'm
Nabil.
from
I'm
MP.
also from UP.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, my
I,
name is Nabil. I'm from UP.
Okay,
I'm
Vishal.
Pandey Vishal from Gujarat.
I'm Jilal. I'm from Assam, Guwahati.
Okay.
Please
And
keep it.
one last member. You have, bro, you have muted your mic. Unmute it. Unmute the mic. Unmute the mic. Then you can speak.
Yeah, my name is Zahir. I'm from Bihar in Begusrai district.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's start the discussion.
Yeah, sure. So anyone can start? Maybe Nabil, you can start. Sorry. Yeah,
Yeah, today
anyone
our
can
to-
start. Yeah,
Okay,
go
let
on.
me start. So today our topic is unemployment. So unemployment is a correlative topic for us because it's relative to completely us. So if I talk about the reason of unemployment, so there are plenty reasons of unemployment. So I want to share some points regarding to unemployment. So first one is our education system. You know, our education system is based on theoretically based on. Mostly we just focus on theory based. But if you compare our education system to some developed countries like USA or UK, so you find they just focus on the practical base of learning, but we are not so focused on practical learning. But the good sign of our education system is that we study deep. We read, we studied all the content is deeply, but we have to just change our education and we focus on practical base of learning. And the second reason I think, which is nepotism. You know, there are lots of institutions. If I talk about education institutions, so they connect of a government. So there is completely authority of appointment of a manager, but they just put all their relatives in their colleges. So we have to reduce this. We have to change this nepotism system. And the third one is, I think, increasing population is also a cause of unemployment. But if I talk about student base, so if I talk about a student perspective of unemployment, so we don't focus on unemployment. You know, we don't think about unemployment. We just focus on learning. We just focus on studying. If you do hard work, if you do something, if you have a talent, so no one can stop you. You will definitely get your job, whatever you want. You definitely accomplish your dream. So we don't think about it. And the second and last thing I want to tell you that we live in a modern era and there are lots of opportunity we have, because in this era we can show our talent easily of all the people. Like we can make a YouTube channel, or we can do any types of activities and they can easily share with people. So we can show our talent easily. If you have a good creative mind, if you have a good creativity, you can show it easily. So that's all for my side.
Okay.
Okay. Next one,
My
Vishal, maybe. Yeah, anyone can speak.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
I'm,
Okay.
I'm Jilal. I'm from Assam, Guwahati. So this is a serious issue, and as far as my concern, that I mean, so population is the main reason. I mean, you know, we have we are already 1.3 billion population in our country. So, and you know, just one position. I mean, one position, and suppose there is a vacancy. Suppose there is a vacancy for one position. So you know, then you can see that almost 1,000 and 2,000 candidates are applied for just one position. So and you know, and just one person get the jobs and remain, and I mean rest of the you know remain the unemployment. So this is, so I think our government should focus on the you know population. We have to reduce, and we have to reduce the rates of population. And after then there is a corruption also. There is a lot of corruption, like you know, bribes. If you want to get any job, then you have to you know bribe. So if you are able to give bribe, then you are able to I mean you are able to get a job. So that time there nobody will judge your qualification, your quality, what kind of potential you have. So they will provide you job just based off on your money. So if you are able to give enough money, give bribe, then they will provide a job. So this system we need to change in India. And there are a lot of or more other reason is like our rural area. So our government should focus on our rural area. So because if our government focus on rural area, if our government start to develop, our village area or rural area, then rural people they will not migrate to the urban. So that time in urban, so all the rural areas people they migrate to the urban and they come to the urban for the job. So that's why I think in urban city there is some pressure
Yeah.
on getting qualified.
Mm.
Okay. So unemployment is equal to lack of skill. So you have no skill, so how you can make money?
And one more reason that advanced technology, advanced technology. So due to technology, earlier one task there were required 1,000 task. So nowadays due do thousands of people's on. So that's why I think our unemployment is increasing day by day.
Okay, sure. So Vishal, you can carry on your
Yes, yes.
point of view.
So unemployment is equal to lack of skill. Then you have no skill, then how you can make money? That is a big reason and main reason. So you need to first develop a skill, and it takes 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. It depends on the skill. So you you first you clarity on your thing. What should I do and what should I don't do. So first you need to clarity on your goal, and after you work on that, and that gives your result some, and that after you define what should I don't do and what should I do, then you correct the thing, and then you day by day growing in your business, growing in your job, increasing your salary and anything. So there is no in my concern, popularity is not main concern about unemployment. That is no key, it's like you in selling business. Okay, so that the popularity is like you have let's say example, you are doctor, then you have more patient. You are you have product, then you have more customer. So that is not concern ki more population is paid for unemployment. You need to develop the skill that makes you money. You have no skill, so you don't make money. That's my thing. So first you need to develop that skill that makes you money. So you need to clear your goal and work on that.
Okay. Okay,
Vicky, can I
anyone
start?
can, yeah.
Yes,
Vicky? Vicky, if you want, you can.
Yeah, okay.
Otherwise,
Yeah, there are so many reasons in our country why we are jobless, and mostly people are jobless. I think as Nabil said, that is also main point. Like in our country, we are being focused on theoretical subject uh, instead of focusing on practical things. And I think our government should develop an interest towards manufacturing. And there are so many reasons, but I would like to put only one and two reasons. And like we are using mostly things from we are importing mostly things from foreign countries. So at least we should try to manufacture everything in our country, whatever we can do, and government should take a step towards manufacturing, and so that we can be provided some jobs, and like government should bring some schemes like nowadays UP government is also doing, and mostly people are already jobless, and some people have been repatriated from other states who have some of them have lost their job themselves, and some have been laid off from their companies and offices. And mm, I think more than 5 lakh in UP only were working in construction sector, and even women have also lost their jobs. So government should focus on encouraging providing jobs, no matter whether it's women or men. Uh, we can take the example like uh, some of the painters and some of the carpenters who were working in any other states. They should be given the job related to their work, and we can take the example of women too. Mostly were working as a ayas who who look after the children.
Mm-hmm.
So they should focus on providing jobs. Yeah, that's all from my side.
Okay.
Uh, because I am from UP, so I want to clear one thing that as per our CM has said that we will provide 1 crore job in a one day or one night. I am not clear 1 lakh or 1 crore jobs in one day. So first thing is that which
Yeah,
type
yeah.
of job you are.
I think
1 lakh. Okay, so which type of job you are providing first thing. Permanent job or one day job. So that is not the solution. We will provide a 1 lakh job in a per day because you will provide 1 lakh per day from where? In a construction sector, in a labor work, and if you are moving towards the unemployment, there is a lots of reason, not only one reason. First thing is our education system. If we are moving towards our education, and Nabil and Vicky has said that our inclination is towards the theoretical things, not towards the practical things. So first thing we have to make our education just like that. It should be equally weighted towards the your practical and theoretical. And I want to move to another side. That Vicky is saying that suppose a carpenter is working in the another state. So I want to correct that. The first thing, carpenter, which type of product he is producing? Products can make their face in the world or not. It is just it's selling is only in his local areas. So first thing that we have to our improve our manufacturing sector. We have to produce our quality goods. Okay, one thing is that we have to work on our manufacturing industry. Like that, I am currently living in Gujarat. There is a lots of companies and lots of manufacturing industries. Vishal can easily relate this. Sir, where we move towards the UP, there is about very little, about 100 to 200 industries in the whole UP. So it's a obvious that people who move to from UP to other state. So that is the part of the whole country. It's moving and moving one place to another place. That is another thing. That is the not cause of unemployment. But main cause of unemployment is the irregularity in the distribution of industries. Suppose one state have a large scale number of manufacturing state or other industries, but in suppose like that UP and Bihar and Chhattisgarh, they have not equal opportunities to make better there. And we have to make our manufacturing industry in a such a that we can produce quality product which can make our face value in the world, because we are about electronic gadgets and each and everything we are previous that, and currently we are purchasing from China and South Korea. So they are producing for their own country, and they are also exporting to other countries. So definitely they have a large number of employment. So suppose if people who are illiterate, they will also get the job to like sweeper and all those things, because they have a large skills of industry. But in India, even we are literate, we are graduated, we are talented, but we are not getting the job. So there is a lot. I want to add one another point is that it's like a bribery. It's also is the cause of unemployment. Like talented people are not getting their jobs in the like UP. Currently, 69,000 teachers recruitment is the main issue. So there are lots of candidates which are applied, and they are doing job in about 23 places. So this is also the one reason. And main thing is that our primary education, we are not getting quality education, and we are not going as we want. Like if our base will be just like we are just making our base on the heap of sand, so how we will make a house on that house on that base. So you can easily relate with the UP, Bihar, Chhattisgarh. What is the condition of primary education? People are only going, students are only going to their schools due to only midday meals, to their clothes, to their shoes, to not gain anything. And this is not the fault of a student. This is the fault of whole system. Teachers do not want to teach them. They are doing their personal works, and even they are not coming to the school. So we have to change the whole system. We have to work on the base. Like we have to the the photo with the student rather than doing signature. And we have to we have to do daily monitoring, and we have to not totally invest on the education. We have to invest on the monitoring system, who can run the whole system, because we are investing the lot. And you can, if you are reading the Hindu newspaper, so and yesterday newspaper has covered the star user. It was the project from the World Bank. So he is contributing 1 billion rupees in India to 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 improve the quality education in the 6th state of India. But there was lots of faults in that project. So we have to work on that. Okay, that's from my side.
Okay, that's great. So Shivam,
Yeah, of course, I hear you.
yeah, just
So,
start speaking your thought. Yeah, putting your thought.
so my topic is job, and and later I am talk about, and later I am talk a little bit of talk about unemployed why and its solution. So first of all, job is very important for every person. So all persons try to got a job, but it is not easy. This is very difficult. Without job we cannot job we cannot live a happiness life. So that's why job is very important for any person. So first, so how can we get a job? How can we get a job? So that solution is we can we can we can we have good education. And we have good education, and we have a good manner skill. So so that so that so that's why we can also got a job. So as tomorrow, as you give in group a tomorrow topic, unemployed why and its solution. So first of all, what is unemployed? Unemployed indicates the total people of a staff who is willing from job, but but we have not job. So that is called unemployed. But uh, how but how can unemployed. So that's reason is population. That's very uh, very very main reason is uh, population. So government should indicates to people uh, who's short family and control his family, control his and population. And he should he also should he also should say about control his population. And
Okay.
okay, so first of all, unemployed is very bad. So in world, as a um, census 2014 to census 2018, there are 3 point there are 3.4 there are 3.4 percentage people more than as a census of the 2000, more employed as a census of 2014. So in India, many workers have no work. Many workers have no who is qualified, but he have not work. So government should starts many company in our country. So so that so that so अपने आप so
Okay.
people's have get a job. It's okay. That's about for
Yes,
me.
Shivam. Okay,
Thank you.
you have tried your best, and that's all good. Okay,
Okay.
to add one's maybe belief or thought a little bit, not too much. So my all, I mean, most of the guys has talked about population is a problem. Okay, so just one thing I wanna say about it. The first thing is population has increased since our 1947 to now. It is steadily increased always, but the employment rate is high in 2018. That the data that has released by our, we can't see our government. It's a NSSC, I think, the department who try to collect that data about unemployed people. So the rate of unemployed people is high that was never been in a 45 years. Okay, so this is not a reason. And the second thought about it, that the population is a reason, that's why we are too many unemployed people. So this is how china must have more unemployed people, but this is not true. Everyone knows the ratio of unemployed in our India is more than China, right? So definitely, and China has more population in a world, even though we are in a second place. So definitely, population is not a problem. So what are actual problem according to me? So okay, firstly, I'm going to talk about myself. Actually, what I realized, and like I have also completed my graduation last year. Okay, in 2019. So the first and foremost reason, I'm not gonna ignore it, that this is my fault because I haven't read a lot. I haven't accumulate or acquire skills that I actually needed so I can work anywhere. Okay, so this is my fault and I accept it. But the moreover, when when I was in my college, okay, so when I was in first year, in second year, what I realized is that, and also our all people had talked about it, the education system. Okay, the education system, they had try to teach us, obviously they also not the teach they want to teach, because they are also not as much as capable when it comes about practical knowledge. Because a student like us, maybe a person who has just passed their engineering class, they have started teaching in polytechnic class, and the student who have never get a kind of practical knowledge, that now he become a teacher, and now he started teaching those students who are a kind of future of our India. So the same in a same way they are going to study, the same thing also happen with them. Some people are getting job in a kind of teaching field, and some are not. But when it comes about actual practical knowledge, then most of the people fail. That's why uh, even though we can't try that to, okay, now I'm going to work, or I'm going to take an interview. Why? Because we don't have an actual skill. Even though if some person have a kind of theoretical knowledge, there are also many people are unemployed because they are lacking in a skill. So what can we do? Okay, when it comes about schooling, we can understand as a kid, as a up to 12, we don't have a kind of mature mind. So yeah, we need a books, we need a teacher, we need everyone. So okay, that is fine. But when it comes about college, now we are mature, now we are free. Even though our parents had they tell us just to go and study where you want. So now we can use our mind, our resources as we want. So I think college also must uh, give a freedom to every single student, so they can do some practical work. Like if I'm talking about engineering, so they must given like in NIT, IITs, there are options that you can go for internship whenever you want, maybe sometime after 1 year. But in some colleges, if you are in third year and if you are in your final year, maybe then only you can go for internship. And if you are willing to go like in your first year just because you have acquired some skill, the teacher will say, I'm gonna cut your marks, I'm gonna in the marks mentality, the 70% criteria, the attendance 70% criteria, it is everywhere in our India, in every single college, no matter it is a technical or non-technical. And this is nothing to do with job, this is nothing to do with actual skill and reality. So I think instead of focusing marks and attendance, they must focus on skill that they if they can generate. So for that they also need a kind of teacher who have a knowledge about theory, and as well as who have a knowledge about practical things. So only then he can take us in an industry, or he can even give us some practical knowledge in colleges. There are many teachers in IIT and NIT. That's why the students who are there, they are willing to work a lot in the sense they are working towards their passion, because they know now, okay, now I have to do this, I have to work this. They have a kind of project from their first year. This is not only about they have to crack their examination and get a 90% mark. It is also all right, but we only focus in this part. Okay, so this is enough in this term. Now, like when it comes about government, so they must start too many manufacturing sector. Why? Because in our India there are service center, there are agriculture field, and there are manufacture field in which people can work. So the manufacture center, I mean manufacture industries, it must be increases. And like Gyanand told us that yeah, it also kind of a qualitative work they are providing us. Like nowadays we are boycotting Chinese companies, Chinese industries. So when we are starting our manufacturing sector, so we can start to give a skill to our youth, so they can work there. And the most important thing, there must be a too many jobs. I mean, like like Gyanan told, they have kind of, they are telling we are gonna give every single day a lakh job, 1 lakh job. Even though if they can do, so they must do, because it is not possible. Everyone knows, it has also said by our prime minister when he was in 2014, we are gonna give every single people job, 2 crore, 2.5 crore. This is like, and this was totally bullshit. And again it is going to happen. But at least what they can do, now we have a chance, now we have a situation, and now we have a kind of circumstances that we can generate our manufacturing sector, we can empower our software industry, we can empower our IT sector, as well as service center also. So I think, and for this sector, everyone need skillful employee. Like Vishal told us that if we want to work any field, definitely, no doubt, without any skill, no one is going to hire you, because you will be of no use for him. So I think in this direction, as our majority population, majority of youth, we are totally dependent on our college. We totally follow blindly our college, and we don't have option, we don't have option. That's why we have to follow. We can't do anything more than that. So if majority of student, majority of youth, and majority of people following college, they must do something for them so they can earn skills. So even though if college are not giving them any campus or anything like that, now they have a skill, they can work anywhere. Okay, and at the last, like, a person who have even job, there are many people who have like, they have job, but still they have a problem because they don't have a high salary, and even they can't demand high salary. Why? Because if I'm getting 20,000 and I wanted to, like, I demand about 25,000, 30,000, so the boss will tell us at that time, I have another employee. There are many people who are just in a row. They will start to work in a 15,000. So this is also a problem. We have a kind of in in a high peak of unemployment, so we can't demand our high salary because we have a problem. There are many people who are willing to work, even though if you are giving them like 10,000, 15,000. So unemployment is also a problem for those who are actually working. And like, when people talk about corruption, so yeah, definitely it is totally in a, everyone knows in which field. I'm not gonna comment about it. Everyone knows why, and why the people do, but at least they have a job. Okay, so when it comes about jobs, so definitely in manufacturing sector, in service center, in service sector, and also another many platform where government can cooperate. They can be cooperative with the private companies and corporations. So this is how they can generate a job for every single people. And when it comes about the student, definitely I'm gonna tell to every single people, parents and youth also, like, whenever we out of our 12th, we are totally rely on college, because our parents also told us, you have to get too many marks, you have to read study like this, only then you will get a good job. So instead of telling this, you have, okay, this is all fine, there is nothing wrong about it, but you have to also tell them, you have to do everything by yourself. You don't need to rely on anyone. Even though if you are going any colleges, if you are pursuing computer science, you can start by your, like, from your first year starting, you can start coding, you can do like this, instead of just relying on our second year syllabus, because the coding started from maybe after first year, so we rely on that. Okay, so I think we are also running out of time. So the, in a nutshell, the thing, it is only us who can work ourselves. So we had to rely ourselves, and we start to accumulate skill as much as we can. But also government should come in front, and they had to create a job, so people, if they have a skill, so they can at least get a good job, no matter they are illiterate or illiterate people. So this is enough from my side. And if someone